my royal flush? It is Jay the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, girl, I'm going to be doing my go-to work glam makeup. Like, you know, I don't wear makeup to work all the time, but on days where I know I'm gonna be good, then I will throw on a quick face. Okay, this, you know, this is a quick little face. If you guys want to see how I do my go-to work glam, then just keep on watching. But before we keep on watching, you guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush, the royal family, the royal court, girl. And at any point you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys enjoying me, you guys are enjoying any of these products that I'm mentioning, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
For some reason it stopped recording, but I did my face, and I'm about to try this trick of drying my foundation and concealer down before I set it, just to see. So far I'm looking really, really good. Opposed to last week. I don't know what was going on, but maybe I used the wrong products with this foundation, or it was the sponge. I don't know. I'm taking a little bit of the Maybelline Matte and Poreless pressed powder to set the rest of my face. Because, I don't know, my makeup, not my makeup, but my Sephora Micro Smooth powder is putting a little bit red on me. So, this foundation powder does not do that. So, that's why I'm using that. I don't know, I think my Sephora Micro Smooth was more of my summer shade. And this is more of my in-between shade, like in between seasons. Because believe it or not, you get lighter and darker. Like you get darker in the summer. Well, some people, I'm not gonna say everyone. Oh yes, I really love this foundation powder. It's so pretty. And I like to, just to confirm that my face is dry, I like to touch it. Or, you know, matte it down a little bit. I like to touch it. So, I'm just about to throw on a bronzer today. As soon as I find my bronzer brush. I'm not about to contour. I don't contour in the, when I'm going to work. I do not contour. I just bronze a little bit and just to get that warmth, I guess. I just bronze. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Sometimes I feel like my neighbors are just listening to me, but talk to y'all, to this camera. I bet they just like, what the fuck is she talking about? About to take some blush. Just these earth tones right here. Like these more natural tone blushes. And just adding a little bit of blush just for more of a soft look. And I'm not about to take it all around my face. Pretty much, you can stop here if y'all just want to work. Y'all can be like, okay, I gotta run. I gotta hurry up and out it. I gotta hurry up and get out of here. But I'm about to spray on some setting sprays. I'm about to take some MAC Fix Plus and just spray and set. Gonna go in with the Anastasia Dewy set. Incorporating that fan into my routine is cute, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really cute. Put it on some brow mascara so my brows can stay in place. Pop on some mascara. Highlighter, Fenty Gloss, not Fenty Gloss Bomb, but Fenty Diamond Bomb. I think I'm about to wear the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I don't know, it matches my lip the most out of all of them. So I'm about to change and I'll be right back.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, so I am back. I'm back from work. I didn't do a finished look, but I'm back for work pretty much. And this is how my skin is looking. Very, very nice and oily, glowy, whatever you want to say. I feel like my skin looks good. Like, I wouldn't fix it really. I would just fix it like right in my nose area, like right over here on top of my nose, in the center of my forehead, but the rest of it is pretty cute. I like that. Mind you, it's been like 6 hours or so, 7 or 6 hours. And yeah, and I just came back from work and I'm about to, so this foundation is really, really good if you're like, I would say you're in a quick little pinch, girl, you gotta hurry up and throw on some foundation real quick to look kind of cute. I would say definitely pick that foundation. Yeah, I'm about to attempt to fix my oily spots that I would actually fix. So yeah, where's my tissue? Here it is. So I'm about to take some tissue. I usually take like a thin piece of tissue or something, and I just go over those areas with it. And on my nose. And around here. Look at that oil. And the center of my forehead. Okay. About my chin, I guess. Now, I'm about to take my e.l.f. blotting powder. I'm going to take that on this Maybelline highlighter brush. Overall, it says overall blending, but it's a highlighter brush, girl. To take that and just pop that right on spot that I want to be matte at. I'm going to take it better. Like, I like to use my Morphe Y11 brush better. This is better for me. Take that, the product, and just blot my skin and dust it over my nose a little bit. We are looking matte. Ooh, y'all, I'm looking good again. So this is pretty much it, you know, mattified again, and everything is all, you know, mattified again. Still looking cute, okay? So yeah, this is pretty much it. Like, you know, my go-to work glam when I feel like wearing makeup. I do not wear makeup all the time to work. I only wear makeup sometimes, girl. And this is what I would go for, like, you know, mascara, brows, light foundation, concealer, like, you know, light concealer. I wouldn't go as heavy as I actually would if I was going full glam. And this is pretty much it. It's like a quick go-to glam look for work. It's really cute. It only took me like 15-20 minutes to do it, and that's why I really like the Fast Face foundation from the lip bar, because you don't actually have to pump it on the back of your hand then apply it to your face with a brush, and the brush is already here and you can just apply it just like that. And y'all saw how easy it was for me, period. And it's kind of, you know, it's kind of light coverage as well, so it's not, you know, my skin is poking through this, like, even though it doesn't look like it's not, but my skin is actually poking through this, like, you know, the foundation. So yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.